Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. There is unfortunately not too much to add. Since my last video, we're still watching if the fourth wave in green is now underway. We are going to zoom out a little bit just to provide a bit more context here. Talked about that we are disregard the green numbers there. First of all, we are looking at disregard the large numbers. We're first of all watching if this here is an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave, not to get too excited. That would lead to another low afterwards, at least to around about $1,000. It could of course be a 1, 2, 3, but then the market would need to prove this by putting in a fourth and a fifth, which could then indicate that the bear market low was already in. And then it's good to wait for the ABC retracement to find a more substantial long-term entry. And if we get these 5 waves, I have to say that if we get these 5 waves and then get the ABC down in a wave 2, this would then be a price that we may never see again for Ethereum, or at least not so quickly, just to highlight that. Okay, but as long as it's only an ABC, it's only an ABC, and we can take it level by level, which would be here. A wave to the upside, B wave down, C wave to the upside, and the C wave, of course, would be a 5-wave move. Wave 1 done, wave 2 done. I see the current price action as a wave 3 rally, an extended wave 3. I think we've now reached the 300% extension. Then there should be a 4th wave and a 5th wave to the upside. That's how I see it. So ideally we get at least one more 4-5, which is of course tradable. This is valid as long as we're holding here this green support box. This green support box is based on the length of the 3rd wave, and we're looking here at the retracements of the 3rd to the 1310 level or 1378, between the 50% retracement and the 23.6 retracement. That moved slightly up for since the last video because there was another spike yesterday. I think I didn't give you the latest numbers in the last video, but this is based on the high, the absolute support area. I mean, you could argue, but I don't think that's likely. You could argue this was just the wave 3 actually ended here, and then this was an A wave down, a B wave up, and we're now coming down in C. In that case, the $1,300 level is the key support. So I would personally probably say if I wanted to enter here, maybe it might be worth setting a stop loss below 1,300 USD, just in case the count is wrong and just in case the wave 3 would actually sit here. Okay, so if we take the FIBs out again, we're currently watching if this 3rd wave really peaked up there. That's possible. At the moment, the move down, though, well, it could certainly be an impulse. I mean, we have here a possible AB section, AB, and then a 1 down, a 2 up, then there would be a 3 down. So this is obviously currently assumption. We don't have enough waves to really confirm that, but this could be an A wave, B wave, and we now might be moving down in C. And if we talk about subwaves, this could be a wave 1, this could currently be a wave 2, and then it could head down like this, even though it would be a very long C wave. So the other possibility is that the wave A unfolded in 3 waves. We're now going to move up in B, a little bit stronger than in a flat, and then the C wave is coming afterwards. So this is at the moment how it could unfold, a little bit of an idea of the roadmap, not necessarily a given. These corrective price structures can change and morph, but at the moment it looks to me that the impulse to the downside is playing out here. So that means that the candles to the downside are quite strong compared to the candles which are currently happening to the upside. However, if we of course get a rally here above 1437, it would indicate that this move to the upside wasn't finished yet, and that we don't really get a wave 4 in green yet. However, the pullback is quite strong. So if we, let me see. Yeah, we've pulled already back to the 61.8% retracement. I mean, if this is still ongoing upside, and if this wave 5 has not finished, then this would need to be some sort of a 1-2 setup, which I find unlikely, but let's see. My primary expectation is that we're now getting into the green target area, in which I plan to enter with a smaller position only because obviously the wave 5 is not going to be that long anymore. Targets for the wave 5, if we get now into the green area, then no, I need to take the fib extensions, of course. And by the way, I have set my I've set some buy orders in the green box and also set a stop loss. And if you want to see all my orders, by the way, then you can obviously join the channel membership. I share them all. Okay, so targets would then be, depending on how low we actually go, if we only touch this top here, then it might be higher, but I'm really giving you the lower end of the scale here. Target would be 1467 to 1564 at the moment, yeah, that I can see for the 5th wave to the upside. So let's see if we get there. I will of course keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.